I'll hold on this side and the other side.
We are the future and you are destroying it. By creating this destructive pipeline, you will harm hundreds of rivers, animals, and people's lives. The LNG pipeline is an invasion and disrespects this earth. The future deserves a clean, beautiful, and healthy earth. We, the youth, deny this pipeline. We promise to continue fighting for justice in future generations. Money is never worth the destruction of our earth. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Thank you for coming in.
Thank you.
They got a couple pictures too.
Sorry about the mess.
I don't have my camera.
Yeah, sorry about the mess. Paint scraps, unfortunately. Sorry.
That's okay. That's okay.
Not part of the plan.
That's no problem. No problem.
Thank you.
Line up.
Logo.